What's up guys, welcome to the codecom.org. In this brand new video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on macOS. So for this you need to open your browser. I'm using Safari. You can open your favorite browser. So I need to search for download Python. Click on the first link. This will take you to the Python official website. From here you can click on download Python. So as you can see, like, download the latest version for macOS. If you search this website from Windows, this will says Windows, so it is fetching your operating system information. Click on the button download and click on allow. So the download is already started and it's done. Click on the setup, continue, then continue, agree, and install. Type your password. As you can see, it's already installed the Python 3.12, and you can click on the close now, and I don't need the setup anymore. Move trash. You can click on command and space to open the spotlight search and search for terminal and write down Python 3 version. As you can see, it's returning Python 3.12. It means the Python has been successfully installed. Start Python, and we are now inside the Python playground, so we can write some simple print statement. You can see it have printed hello world on the console. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.